Hello and happy Wednesday from Tropical Storm Debby. Today we're out at Patriots Point. We're going to play from the blue tees. The goal is to shoot 1 over par on the 3 holes. We're playing 10, 17, and 18. There's a lot of casual water out here, so we're going to try to avoid that. We're going to try not to float away and hope for the best. Here we go. So as you can see here, the water is almost up over the cart path. This is not supposed to be a water hazard that's actually here. Alrighty, so not really sure the game plan here other than just to try to hold on to the golf club. I've been stuck inside the last 2 days. It is mighty slippery. Gonna aim over at that left bunker and just see what happens. Try to hold on to the golf club. Oh God. That's so far right. All right, we got a long ways in here. Probably a fly or lie. Crosswind, there's no pin. I'm just gonna take it at that tree. Oh wow, I actually hit that pretty good. All right, short right, baby, we're in business. Alrighty, I have no clue where the pin is. Oh, it's right there. If I can get this up and down, I'll be pretty ecstatic. Got water coming off the front of my bill. I feel like I'm fucking John Rahm. All right, here we go. We just want to land this one, basically get it to the hole. It's pretty wet. Oh gosh. Oh, that's so bad. All right, we are going glove on for this one. Just kidding, I just took it off out of habit. Whoops. All right, here we go. Those measures. Wonder how these are rolling. Drain it. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Oh, shoot. All right, 5. That was an adventure. Not fun at all. This sucks. There's just standing water everywhere. The wind is whipping. Nice view of the harbor though. Check this out. Oh yeah. It's Shem in all of its glory. All right, 17. The moment we've all been waiting for. Over under on this is ought to be 4.25, 4.5, I suppose. All right, so last time we played this hole, if you want to check out my last video, it was like 30 into the face. This time we're probably 20, 30 down. So last time I had a 6 iron, same exact number. This time I've got a 9 iron. Additionally, since we're out here during Debby, if I hit the green, I will donate $1 to the charity of your choice. Just comment the link to the charity and I'll toss them $1 if I can hit it on the green here. Oh, that looks pretty good actually. Get there. I can't tell. I saw it bounce. Might have been long, might be on. I really have no idea. We'll find out. So, just a little behind the scenes action here. Got the bridge over the shoulder. It's sticky, like 78, 85 right in there. I am hot, sweaty, soaked. Should have never done this. My lady was like, "You're an idiot," when I was walking out the door. I was like, "Oh no, it'll be good." She was right. This is not fun. but the rain seems to have let up a little bit, so that helps. Hopefully I hit it on the green, but it ain't looking promising up there. All right, we're walking up with no balls in our pocket. We're confident that we can find it, or at least one. Oh, there's one. That's nice. Well, we can use that if we can't find mine. Where'd they put the pin? Oh, look at that pin. God, that's nasty. What if I jarred it? That'd be insane. Nope. Okay. Let's see here. Well, I'd say as good as gone. Sorry to the charity people. We're gonna be 2 over. If I could get this up and down to that nasty pin. Look at the harbor. Oh, here comes more wind. Come on, y'all. There's a tough up and down. I almost just tore my ACL on that mud right there. Little tuggy. Sit. Golly. This is brutal. Here's where I almost just tore my hamstring. ACL, whatever. God. Okay. Now we're long. That's good. We love this. Ugh. And the crabgrass. Maybe I can knock it in. Alright, not bad. I'll give myself this for double. Yeah. We're gonna take this one right at that palm tree out there off in the distance. I have a tendency when I get all this rain gear on, I just hit them way right. Wet glove, everything else. So I'll try to not hit this right, but I don't have much faith. Oh yeah! That was actually pretty good. Alright, fairway finder. Let's go. Probably got about 275 in. We're just gonna freaking try to smack this up there. Everything's getting heavy. Take this right at that tree over there with no leaves on it. We do have to keep in mind there is the water hazards, the new ones off to the right. Here we go. Oh, that was freaking perfect. Like 50 yards short of the green. I might make a birdie. Just look at all the birds just flying around. Actually, some bird watchers on the driving range. Look at them go. Alrighty, about 30 yards. I would take a drop, but there's not really anywhere to go. It's just wet. Try to get this up and down for birdie, baby. Okay. That's pretty bad. It's hard. Alright, I'm gonna freaking bury this. Freaking bury this. I had this put on Sunday. I had a bunch of presses going with Keith Keister, who shot 66, but didn't matter. I buried this. I know it's just a left or right, or played pretty far outside. Oh God, bless. Don't fail me now, tripod. I'm about to bury this. Here we go for birdie for 2 over. Oh, that was so terrible. That was so terrible. That's all right. Listen, par's a par in these conditions. Take that. All right, the lesson that we learned today was that golf in a tropical storm is not fun. It's really hard. Everything gets soaking wet and stuck to you. The course is wet, go figure. The rain pants, everything that you think would help, the rain gloves, none of it really helps because the wind blows 30 miles per hour. Your shoes get wet, and it's just really hard and hot. It's still hot. I'm still sweating. Probably because my rain gear is made for the winter and it's from 2005, but I digress. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I do this all for you and your personal viewing pleasure, so please help me out. But thanks again for tuning in. We will see you next time. Golf with Mark.